that could leave more money to cover closing costs or to cover repairs or appraisal gap. And so it is a strong and great option.
People think it's not as good. So people say, oh, well, I'm not as competitive with a VA loan. The only time that I have ever seen personally as an agent, as a listing agent, that a VA loan is not as competitive is if we have a multiple offer scenario where you have conventional loans that can get away with more. Because in a conventional loan setting, they're giving you more freedom because it's less liability, whereas on a VA, the Department of the Veterans Affairs is backing your loan, so they want to make sure you have a safe house and you're making a good purchase, which is great for you. But people think it's not as competitive, which is not true. If you are in a multiple offer situation or you're in a very competitive market and you are a VA buyer, keep that in mind and make your offer as competitive as possible, because you don't want to fall into that misconception where people think you're not as strong as a VA buyer, because you absolutely are. You're probably more qualified and you have consistent income and things like that to be a VA if you're active duty and stuff like that. But just be competitive, put your best foot forward. Don't let that stuff stop you. And a VA loan is just as strong, if not stronger than others. So.